everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've watched my videos before. I've not done a B&M haul in a little while. I don't go as often as I used to do and I haven't picked that much up, but I'm still going to show you everything that I got. So my oven desperately needs cleaning. This is the only one that they had. I normally get one that's in an orange box. I got a feeling it's the same product, but this was only £1.50 and the one I normally get is £5. So I don't know if it is or isn't, but hopefully this will make my oven clean because it really needs cleaning. It comes with the same things that the other one comes with. The liquid, the disposable gloves, the cleaning bag and a sponge. I don't think the other one comes with a sponge, so I thought I would give that a go. Next item is going over. So I got some Twinings Honeymoon Vanilla. It's black tea with vanilla flavour. It took me ages to actually find that because I kept thinking, what is it? Because I knew Twinings didn't do coffee, so I knew it would be tea. So for £1 I thought I'd try these because I do have an espresso machine. It's a bit dirty but it's behind. Then everyone seems to be buying Sephora at the moment. And I remember the original one and my mum used to use it and I couldn't stand the smell of it. So I've been avoiding getting it, but I saw they had a lot of different scents in B&M today, so I picked up the warm cinnamon one because it smells amazing. But I think I'm going to pick up some of the other scents because everyone raves about how good Sephora is and it's only £1. I picked up this small can of coconut milk. It was only 29p and it's always handy to have in. I got a can of Monster Energy drink which is £1 in there. I got 2 of these very small bottles of water because they're handy to grab on my way out because I don't drink enough water. These encourage me to drink. I would have got more, but I just couldn't be bothered today. Then I got the Maggi 3-minute noodles. It's a 4-pack for £1, which is a bargain. It's like 25p a packet. I've never ever tried the Maggi noodles before. I normally get super noodles. So I'm intrigued to see what these are like. If you've tried them, please let me know down below. But they're always handy to have, and it's not something I always have, but now and then I do want something like this, so I thought that was perfect. And then I picked up a twin pack of the Freevolution in vanilla, or vanilla bouquet. I think these are on offer for £4.45 or something like that. Normally they're like £5 each for one, or in the, I think they're £4, so I think they're more in the supermarket. I needed more than 2, but again, I just couldn't be bothered picking up loads of stuff today, so I'll probably be going back in a couple of weeks, so watch out for my next B&M haul. And that's everything I've picked up. If you have any questions about any of these items, like I always say, please leave your questions in the comments below and I'll answer. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so then you'll get an alert every time I upload a similar video if this is the type of video you like. And I'll be back in a few weeks, hopefully with another B&M haul. Thank you for watching, everyone.